Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You see behind me 2015 Toyota Prius V, and this one came for the 60,000 miles maintenance. If you look in the glove box, there are all these manuals. One of them is maintenance and warranty, and you can learn from it that it says replace engine air filter, cabin filter, engine oil and filter. But if you drive in harsh conditions or severe conditions, also replace transmission fluid. So here we have a chance to see, it's a 2019, right? The vehicle it's 2015, it's a 4 years old or almost 5 years old, depending when exactly it was put at work. And we have a chance to see a sample, right? I will catch a sample and we can see how looks the transmission fluid after only 60,000 miles. Let's go and see. I have no idea in which condition and shape it will be. And on the way to the vehicle I prepared his little show. Look at this. WS, right? Transmission fluid. This is the old style, right? Today I bought more at Toyota and this is the new style. Shall I keep those because they are already gone and they will be like collectible? Probably not. And this is where we will be working underneath the car. You know that already, right? And I look through the shop and I found two identical bottles. So let's catch the old fluid and compare it with the new one. You know, right? You know the tool is the hex stand. It's right here. I will get at least short extension to remove it. They should be not over torqued. Normally it's easy to open this. So, and I'm starting right not with the drain but with the filler. I have to make sure first the filler is openable. And look at this, it popped relatively very easily. My drain catching pan is underneath it, so I will remove the plug with that crusher washer, and this is the filler. Let's see if anything will come out, right? The fluid level should be right there. Is anything coming out? I don't think so. So I have the plug here correctly organized. Where is my catching pan? Right here, to get that sample from it. Right? Yeah, nothing came. So let's go for it. This is very exciting. And this is the drain, excuse me. This one was way tighter, right? And we will learn something today. We will see how much contamination or how bad will be fluid after 60,000 miles. And be patient with me. I'm just trying to catch it before let it go in the drain pan. And I can show you, but I can tell you already, it's a very good idea to do this service. You will see in just a second why. And here is that little show prepared for you. This is the sample of the fluid I just caught in that plastic bottle, right? Now I want to show you how it compares to the new one, and that nobody can say anything. This is brand new, right? Listen for the cracking it, right? This is what supposed to be, or what was actually in that Prius, 2015 Prius. So I will crack it open. There's that seal on it, right? Did you hear that? Alright, you're already getting idea the way it looks. And then this is very clean container. It will not destroy it. Look at this difference. So here we have perfect comparison of two fluids, right? The brand new one, and I will show it to you from different angles. Might be bad lighting and so on. This is a great comparison that the fluid is worn and it's no good anymore. Let me remove my gloves. Oh yeah, you actually see it pretty good from here. I kind of chosen a good angle. That's not bad. So let's zoom on it, right? Look at this. This is the old, very contaminated, burned, right? And on the right side is the new one. If I come closer like this, it's so perfectly obvious, the difference. It's so visible. I can perfectly see through this one. I can read the barcode or see the barcode behind it or underneath it. Obviously the one on the left, there's no way to see through. And of course, as I promised, let's look at it from every single angle, right? Brand new fluid which is coming back. The manual says 3.6 quarts. My experience is that it takes more like 4 quarts. So definitely have enough if you want to ever change it, right? Let's look from above. Huge difference, right? Contaminated and perfectly clear fluid. You can see through it, you can see the lines. I was talking about this barcode, right? I can see it from the other side through the fluid. It's right there visible. So isn't that nice little example that we should keep up with that maintenance, don't you think? Well, I'm preparing these shows for you and the time flies like crazy and the customer will be here in 1 hour, so I better get back to the work. But I hope you enjoy this presentation. I personally did, because I was curious what will be the shape of that fluid, and it's actually perfect time to replace it. Be subscribed, I will have more stuff about Toyota soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.